Hello, this video helps you to know about electricity. The presentation makes people to realize electric current and voltage. The potential is also known as voltage. Now we enter into the presentation. No one knows precisely what electricity is. However, theories about the behavior of electricity have been established through experiments and observations. At present, it is believed that all matters are essentially electrical in nature. Consider a structure of matter which has been defined anything that has mass and takes up space. All are displayed. The matter is classified into three states: solid state, liquids and gases. Even iron, aluminum, silver, all are coming under the list. Matter is made up of extremely small particles known as molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle into which a given substance may be divided without changing its identity. Molecules can further be subdivided chemically into still minute particles known as atoms. An atom may be regarded as the smallest particle of an element that can exist. The substance whose molecules consist of similar atoms are called elements, whereas the substances whose molecules consist of dissimilar atoms are called compounds. The atoms of all elements are composed of two parts, namely the central nucleus and the surrounding or orbital electrons, as shown in the display. The electrons each have a negative electric charge of 1.603 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The electrons are relatively tiny particles of almost negligible mass, 9.107 into 10 power minus 31 kg. The nucleus of an atom is largely a cluster of two types of particles called the protons and neutrons. Protons each have a positive electrical charge equal in magnitude to the negative charge of electron. A neutron has no charges at all. Protons and neutrons each have mass about 1800 times the mass of an electron. In an atom, the number of protons in the nucleus normally is equal to the number of orbiting electrons. Thus, an atom is electrically neutral. If an atom loses an electron, it loses the negative charge and becomes a positive ion. Similarly, if an atom gains an additional electron, it becomes a negative ion. All atoms have some electrons which are loosely bound their nuclei. Binding due to opposite charge attracts each other. These electrons are known as free electrons and may be dislodged by one means and another and transferred from one atom to another. The body that contains unequal number of electrons and protons is said to be electrically charged. If a body contains electrons more than the normal number, then the body is said to be negatively charged. Similarly, a body containing electrons less than its normal number is said to be positively charged. Materials having many free electrons called as conductors. Silver, copper, aluminum are the example. The drift of electrons in a conductor in one direction is known as the electric current. That is, the flow of electric current takes place by the movement of electrons in a conductor. An electric current may be defined as the time rate of net motion of an electron charge across a cross-sectional boundary. A random motion of electrons in a metal does not contribute a current unless there is a net transfer of charge with time. As the liter is the unit for the measurement of quantity of water, similarly Coulomb is the practical as well as SI units for measurement of electric charge. 1 Coulomb is equal to 624 into 10 power 16 electrons. The current may be specified in coulombs per second. The unit for current is ampere. 1 ampere means 1 coulomb of charge per second. Potential or voltage. Potential is a term which is used to indicate the electrical state of a body with respect to a standard reference. Universally, the potential of the earth is taken as zero potential since it is not affected by any charge given to it or taken away from it. Therefore, potential of earth remains the same and it is referred to as zero potential. Any charged conductor which is capable of sending electricity to the earth when connected to it is said to be a positive potential, whereas when the conductor receives electricity from the earth when connected to it is said to be at negative potential. The symbol for earth is displayed. Potential difference or voltage difference between any 2 points is the difference in their electrical state. That means charges available at each point, which tends to cause flow of electricity from one point to other. The electric current flows from higher potential point to the lower potential point, like the water flows from higher height to the lower height. The potential difference is defined with respect to any 2 points and is measured in volts. The voltage is equal to dW by dQ, where dW of work done is in joules, dQ amount of charges moved in coulombs. The potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt means 1 joule of work done is being done for shifting the 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. Similarly, the current is dQ by dt. 1 ampere means 1 coulomb of charge is flowing per second, where dQ is the amount of charges and dt is the time. Request to subscribe my channel, mark, like and share videos. Thank you.